Hello everyone! Today I'd like to introduce some Korean words related to directions. Let's get started.
위, 위, 위,
위,
아래, 아래, 아래,
아래,
왼쪽, 왼쪽, 왼쪽,
왼쪽,
오른쪽, 오른쪽, 오른쪽,
오른쪽,
앞, 앞, 앞,
앞,
뒤, 뒤, 뒤,
뒤,
안, 안, 안,
안,
밖, 밖, 밖,
밖,
옆, 옆, 옆,
옆,
맞은 편, 맞은 편, 맞은 편.
맞은편.
Here is a short game for you. Here is a puppy, 강아지, and this is the box, 상자. Can you say where this puppy is by using these words? Right. 상자 앞. Yes. 상자 위. That's right. 상자 아래. Very good. 상자 뒤. That's right. 상자 안. Yes, right. 상자 밖. Look at this picture. This is an apple, 사과, and this is a banana, banana. Can you say where the banana is? Yes, right. 사과 오른쪽. Yeah. 사과 왼쪽. This is a hospital. 병원. And this is a park. 공원. This is a school. 학교. Can you say where the school is? Yes, right. 공원 옆. Then can you say where the hospital is? Yes, right. 공원 맞은편. Very nice.
Well, how was it? Can you memorize all? I think it'd be helpful to know these words when you travel to Korea. Please keep practicing and see you next time. Bye!